In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a subdomain in GoDaddy cPanel and install WordPress. Let's kick things off with accessing your GoDaddy hosting account. To do this, first, navigate to the GoDaddy website. Once you've arrived at their homepage, look for an option labeled Web Hosting. Hover your mouse over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. On this menu, find and select Manage for the hosting plan you desire. Next, log into your cPanel. Once you've successfully accessed your hosting dashboard, scan the page for a button that's labeled cPanel Admin. Click on this button to log into your cPanel interface. Now that you're in the cPanel, we're ready to start creating your subdomain. To do this, find a section labeled Domains, under which you will find an icon titled Subdomains. Click this icon to commence the process of creating your very own subdomain. On the Subdomains page, you will first be prompted to enter your subdomain's name. This could be any name you prefer, such as blog. Once you have decided and typed in the name, move on to selecting your main domain. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Domain. Click on it and select your main domain. Once done, find a button labeled Create and click it to seal the deal and officially designate your new subdomain. With our subdomain now ready, let's proceed to install WordPress on it. To do this, head back to your main cPanel dashboard. Here, look for a section titled either Apps for Content Management or Softaculous Apps Installer, and open it. From the given options, you have to select the WordPress or WordPress blog icon. You may have to refresh your page if you've only just created your subdomain. Kickstart the installation of WordPress by clicking on +Install this application or the Install tab, whichever one you see first. Now, be prepared to choose your domain. This is done under the Choose Domain or Software URL section, where you have to select your newly minted subdomain from the drop-down menu. Next up, configure your WordPress site settings. You'll be required to fill in certain details like the site name, your username, and password. Make sure you fill in all required fields and eventually click the Install button at the bottom of the page to wrap up the process. And that's it. You have now successfully created a subdomain using GoDaddy cPanel and have WordPress installed on it. You're all set to start blogging or customizing the site as you see fit. Enjoy your new internet territory.